Sheila. You may know me from my live cooking demos or from my videos online, whipping up delicious recipes. All my life, I've been interested in food. Both my parents are amazing cooks, passionate about cooking. It was intriguing to me how they mix up different flavors and ingredients to come up with something spectacular. My mom in particular showed me that cooking is a versatile art that you can use to show how much you love the people around you. She was a very early riser. She worked as a school teacher and had the energy and strength of a horse. At 4 a.m., she would start the fire to grill the best pork belly I've ever tasted. We didn't have cereals or oatmeal for breakfast. We had pork, fish, chicken, rice, soup, vegetables, fruits, tasty dishes cooked and prepared with love and dedication by my mama. This is one of the sweetest memories I have of her. She passed away a few years back, and her passion for cooking lives on with me. Cooking also became my passion. I guess my genes had something to do with what my future profession would be. For the past 15 years, my journey to becoming who I am now have not always been easy. After earning my diploma for both cuisine and pastry from Le Cordon Bleu Culinary Institute in London, I started working for 5-star hotels in London as a first commis chef. It was a tough job and glamorous, and the hours are ridiculous, but I loved every second of it. The experience honed my kitchen skills even more. The techniques I learned would soon come in useful for what I feel now. I was meant to do. Fast forward 2 years later, I started my own family and became a mom. At this point, I stopped working in hotels and restaurants and became a chef consultant. I was frequently going out of town and flying out to the USA for restaurant consulting. My son was only 2 years old back then, and I felt this incredible guilt inside me because I could barely spend time with him. I felt strongly that I needed something to balance my life. I wanted to continue my passion for food and be a wonderful mom at the same time. That's when I fell in love with food media. I realized then that I can reach more audience if I continue doing this. I can share my love for cooking with more people, and hopefully they develop the same fondness for it too. And the cherry on top, I get to spend more time with my son, Brody. So my journey to creating my food media brand began. My day typically starts at 5 in the morning, helping my son prepare for school and bringing him there myself. Then I'm off to the gym or the cycling club or any place I enjoy where I can start moving and burn off calories. Hey, all ladies need to take care of themselves, and that's how I do it. Then I start working down on my schedule for the day. I develop recipes, meet with digital media practitioners, edit my own videos, create new content. Whatever is set for the day, my goal is to accomplish them all. Then off to spending time with my son after his classes. Every minute I spend with him is a stress reliever. On the days when I schedule my shoot for videos for Chef Sheila, I start my day going to one of my favorite places in the whole world, Farmers Market. They sell the freshest ingredients, and whatever you need, they have it. Fresh fish and seafood like lapu-lapu, tuna, shrimps, giant crabs, lobsters, clams, and so much more. They also have local and imported fruits and vegetables that may be difficult to find in other markets like bataw, sigarilyas, beetroot, blueberries, raspberries, avocado, exotic fresh herbs like thyme, basil, oregano, almost everything. But the best part of going to farmers market is being friends with the sellers. They give you the best advice about their products, little tidbits about food that I have actually proven useful over the years. When I cook, I always encourage my audience to use fresh and natural ingredients. Nothing beats the taste and nutritional value of real food that comes from nature. You just know that you're going to be able to make something delicious and healthy. Shooting for my videos may last for hours on end, but the result is all worth it. While I'm building my brand and raising Brody with my husband, I make sure to take time for myself to relax with family and friends. Going out and having fun and chill time with people I love rounds up my life. As a modern working mom, I know from experience that planning and execution skills are essential must-haves to achieve what we want. For me, it's all about balance, choosing your battles, and appreciating every single moment, considering it as an adventure. For those of you out there who want to learn a thing or two about food, pursue a cooking career, or just want to be inspired and have smile for the day, visit my website www.chefsheilla.com and follow me on my socials. I've got so much more recipes and great ideas about food to share with you. See you all!